All right, well, here we go. Welcome back. Sorry to get truncated on you like that on the previous one. So if I remember correctly, we left off here. We were doing y plus 5 times 4y minus 5. And you can kind of see I foiled that out or double distributed that out. And I put it over the common denominator. And then over here on the right-hand side, I have the same common denominator. So those should be the same as each other. And I was just about to multiply y plus 7 to y minus 4. So I'm going to go ahead and continue doing that. I don't know if you did that yet or not, so we can do it together if not. Y squared minus 4y plus 7y gives me a plus 3y. And then minus 28. So notice here I have a fraction minus a fraction. So minus the fraction, I'm going to need to make sure I remember to distribute that negative sign all the way through. But I'm going to combine my like terms at the same time as well. So let's see how that looks. Let's go with the green, and I have 4y squared plus 15y minus 25 minus y squared minus 3y plus 28 all over my common denominator of y plus 5, y minus 4, and y minus 3. So now I'm going to combine my like terms for the numerator. So I have 4y squared minus y squared. That gives me 3y squared. Now I have 15y minus 3y. That gives me plus 12y. Minus 25 plus 28 gives me plus 3 all over y plus 5, y minus 4, y minus 3. That's a 4. Now I do notice that the numerator is factorable. I can at least take out a 3. So I'm left with 3 times y squared plus 4y plus 1. And on the bottom I'm still going to have y plus 5, y minus 4, and y minus 3. Come back here. And so now the last thing I need to do is consider this quadratic right here. Can I factor y squared plus 4y plus 1? If I can factor that, I should do so, and then look to see if it reduces out with anything in the denominator. Turns out I cannot find two numbers that multiply to 1 and add to 4. So this is going to be my final product. Hope that went all right. Bring questions with me tomorrow. Start if you have a question. Make some indication so that when we go over tomorrow in class, you know that you had a question. And then that's it. So now we're going to go ahead and do the next assignment, which is assignment number 2 from your Chapter 6 assignment guide. Sorry I couldn't fit this all into one lesson, but hey, overall, it's only 18 minutes and 15 seconds. See you tomorrow.